Whet your appetite. Unveiling the meaning. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, whet your appetite. This expression is a gem in the English language, often used to spark curiosity and interest. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it in conversation. Stay tuned to Whet Your Appetite for English idioms. The phrase, whet your appetite, has nothing to do with eating, despite what you might first think. It's a metaphorical expression used to describe stimulating someone's interest or desire for something. Imagine getting a small taste of a delicious meal that leaves you wanting more. That's exactly what this idiom is about, but for things like knowledge, experience, or anticipation. Understanding the origins of phrases helps us appreciate them even more. Whet your appetite comes from the word whet, which means to sharpen or stimulate. Historically, it referred to the sharpening of tools with a stone. Metaphorically, it's about sharpening your desire or interest in something, making it keener and more intense. Using whet your appetite in conversation or writing can add flair and depth. Here are some examples. Before a presentation, this introduction should whet your appetite for the fascinating research findings we're about to discuss. In marketing, our preview trailer is designed to whet your appetite for the full movie, coming this summer. Learning context. Today's lesson on idioms will whet your appetite for the beauty and complexity of the English language. To master using whet your appetite, try crafting sentences or short paragraphs using the phrase. Consider topics you're passionate about and think of how you might whet someone's appetite to learn more about them. Share your examples in the comments, or practice with friends to get comfortable with the idiom. We hope this video has whetted your appetite for exploring English idioms and expressions. Remember, idioms add color and depth to our conversations and writing, making learning them both fun and essential. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video or reach out with questions. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.